angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys saw by today's title and now the intro and the thumbnail and all this good stuff, it is a very video that I have been looking forward to for a while now, and I am going to be testing out the lovely app Notion. I think that's how you say it, Notion. So I'm going to be testing Notion out for a whole week, and we're going to see if it makes me more productive. So I'm going to be vlogging every day for a week, and we'll see if I actually end up using it by the end of everything. So let's get on with today's video. Okay, so now the game plan is I'm going to customize all of these, and then I'm going to figure out which ones I'm going to use. So today is Sunday, I forgot to mention it, but today I'm just going to be setting up stuff so that tomorrow I will be able to use it. So I'm just going to be setting everything up, changing the templates to my personal liking, and then we are going to start using it tomorrow on Monday. Good morning, you guys, and happy Monday. I know when you're watching this, it's probably not morning or Monday, but if you are, happy Monday. Anyways, so today is the first day of using Notion, and I'm really excited because so the first thing, I don't know, I'm just excited to use it because I've been so curious about it for the longest time. So let's just get with it. The first thing that we have to do is I have to go through all of my Canvas, what I'm supposed to be doing, and kind of just putting it into Notion. So anyways, we are going to go through Canvas, and I have to write down all of my assignments. So what I'm going to do is for Avid, I have to make a digital agenda type thing. So you can put it on my Mac, it's on my MacBook and stuff. So I kind of just write in all of my assignments that are due, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them into Notion, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. Okay, you guys, so I finally finished setting up everything for my Notion. So the first thing that I kind of did was kind of just look through everything. So I did my schoolwork, I put in all of my assignments, so I decided that for the week stuff, I'm just going to put overall what I'm doing for the week, and then I would do all of my assignments in the schoolwork. And then what I had to do was I ended up having to do school, and then I put in all of my classes here, which is super nice. But other than that, that's all the things that I have done. I haven't done anything else with it, but it did take a little bit of time, but it was only because I had to do this. If I continue to use Notion, I won't end up using this digital one right here. Hopefully you guys can see it, because I don't know, I feel like it's useful, but I feel like the Notion one is just so nicely set up. So I have my world history class, and I put that it's an assessment or a practice or just an assignment or whatever. I like that you could put a due date. This person set it up really cool, so kudos to them for setting it up really nicely. So anyways, this is my setup. I did all of this yesterday. I changed the photos and added some purple stuff. I don't think I'm going to use these. I might later on, but maybe not this week. Okay, so I finished my schoolwork for today. I did world history, I did a little bit of Avid work, I did biology work. I'm not sure if I'm completely done with it. I think I have to interview about it, but our interview is about the COVID vaccine. So if you have any opinions about the COVID vaccine, let me know down below, because I would love to know your guys' opinions on it to help me with my research. But anyways, I have been using Notion all day, and I will be honest with you, at first in the morning, I was a little bit down, because obviously it's really dark outside. It's very rainy, but also because I did 2 digital agendas when I could have just done one. But Notion has been a really big help for me. Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. So there's a little bit of a change of scenery. Today I'm working from my couch, watching a little bit of TV. But anyways, I just want to say yesterday was a good day. So we're going to check off some stuff that I've already done. I didn't edit yesterday, which is fine. I posted on Instagram. So today I have to work out, which I probably won't do any mad fit, but you know, I'm doing online school. I'm vlogging right now. I just posted on Instagram if you want to check it out. What else have I done? I did some orchestra work. I finally finished it. So I have personally been loving Notion. Why did I say notation? Notion right now. It's really been working out for me. I have yesterday, I don't know if I mentioned, but I made all of my classes, and under my classes, I was able to write out like interview questions that I wanted to do, which was super cool. So far, Notion has been making me a little bit more productive than usual. Like I feel like since everything is so organized and cute, and I just feel like I have to use it. We'll see how it goes. I love how it crosses it out. I love all this stuff. So yeah, let's continue to use this. I'm very excited to see if I will continue using it, but so far, so good. I haven't done anything with the social media aisle, so maybe we will use it later in the week or tomorrow. Haven't done anything with the reminders or notes or anything like that. I haven't done anything with the daily, but I want to use this daily plan. I feel like it would be really nice. Maybe I'll start using it tomorrow, so maybe you guys will see it, but I'll change these maybe to purple, because that's the aesthetic that I always go for, my purpleness. So we're gonna change these to purple, and then I don't really like uppercase stuff, so we'll change it. Everything has been going really, really well. The only thing that I will say is that it logs me out really consistently, so I don't know if it's just constantly saving, but it does keep like your information. Like you don't have to retype anything in, you just have to press enter. So if it bugs you that it always logs you out, then you might not want to use it, but I feel like you get a lot out of it, so it might not be that big of a deal. So let's continue using it. I've been loving how everything is turning out. It's been really making things easier for me, and I feel like I'm gonna stop using this like planner thing for the week, since for Avid he just said that he wants to see like a planner, like some type of planner. So maybe I'll start just using this planner instead of the other one. So yeah, everything's going really well. Happy Tuesday if you're watching it on a Tuesday. Oh my gosh, if you hear snoring, it is my dog. But anyways, he's literally sleeping right there. Anyways, happy Wednesday. I'm gonna try to scream over him. But today I'm not really using anything, but I think what I'm gonna do today is just kind of customize it a little bit more to my liking. So maybe like the daily plan, I'll change everything to purple, and then, I don't know, the habit tracker. I don't really think I'm going to use the habit tracker as much as I want to, but overall I have been loving this and it's really been working out for me. Let's check off some stuff. So I did this. I didn't even work out. I didn't even edit. I'm going to try to edit today maybe, but we still have to do chores, go to the gym. I'm vlogging right now, editing, and then I just posted on Instagram. So boom. Yeah, so I think I pretty much finished everything I needed to for this half of the week, and then tomorrow we'll have a lot of stuff to check off. But anyways, I'm just gonna try to, change all this stuff, fitness related. Ooh, I kind of need this, I feel like. Anyways, so so I feel like I just kind of don't need to vlog every single day. But maybe Thursday and Friday I'll do like a montage, and then Saturday I'll end the video, tell you my final thoughts. But so far so good. I feel like I might actually use this in my regular day life, and the only thing that kind of concerns me is that to make your own template, it kind of takes a lot of work. Like, you know what I mean? Like all this stuff looks like it takes like a lot of work to do. So I'm glad that if you're a beginner, you have like different templates. Like this one is just like an example that I got from someone else. This one I actually got from someone else, but I customized it to how I liked it. So let's just continue on to using this. Happy Saturday! So this is like the final day of using Notion, even though I'm not really using it today. I'm just giving you my review. So when you're seeing this, it's tomorrow. You're seeing this tomorrow. I've like edited throughout the week so that I can just upload it and schedule it today. You guys are seeing it tomorrow, so you know, I think this is like the closest we've ever been like time related of filming. So anyways, let's review Notion and what I think of it, my thoughts, would I use it again, all that good stuff. So I think I'm gonna do this on a screen recording, but as I said, I've been using this all week. Like, I've used it Monday through Friday. I've used it every day. Even if I haven't said anything on camera, I've tried to vlog it for you guys and do all that stuff. Today is the 20th of March. I started it on the 15th, so that's like a full like five days. I technically started this on the 14th, which was Sunday, and I set everything up, but I didn't actually use it then. So let's just go to my screen recording and I'll show you everything and tell you my thoughts. Screen, I changed it, as you guys saw, to everything I need, just because I don't know. So I'm gonna go through everything that I've been using. So I've actually used this school thing. I put all of my classes in, and then what I like is that it tells you where you're at, so you can just go back to everything I need. I haven't used any goals of the month or fitness, but I feel like maybe I will. I haven't used daily plan, but I want to habit tracker either, or 5-minute journal, but I actually kind of want to use this. For social medias, I feel like I'm not going to use Instagram since I post or try to post every single day. YouTube is a different story, so I might start using that, but I haven't used it. I embedded my little studying playlist. The person that created this is not my template. Someone else created this. I just kind of changed it to my personal liking. So they put reminders and notes. So then I added these two little like purple aesthetic things to kind of go with the purple theme. So you can see that I've finished everything for the week except today, obviously. I love this thing. I feel like this is really good for like your overview of what you're supposed to be doing for the week. And then when it comes to schoolwork, I really like this because I feel like I can check up on my dates and all this stuff. I don't know if it really gives you like a notification like, oh, this assignment is due, but I mean, I check this every single day, so it was really useful for me. So that is just like the overview of my whole thing. I want to say that I loved Notion. I generally think that tomorrow, since it's Sunday when you're seeing this, hopefully Monday, I'm going to start using the schoolwork thing. Let me show you the schoolwork thing for my daily planner, and then I'm going to use this for my week. And I feel like it's just going to be super helpful for me. And I felt like the only thing that I'm kind of like worried about is I think that it takes a really long time for you to make the whole template itself. So if you're a beginner, maybe you should look for templates, look on YouTube, which is what I did, and I found people that were using Notion and they had like their template linked down below. I found this one actually on Notion, and someone had already created this template. Okay, so as I said, I love Notion. I see myself using this in the future, using it eventually. Hopefully, since I love it so much, I feel like I could make my own template. I'm just gonna have to figure out what I want to do and what aesthetic, if I want it to be purple, if I want it to be white and like black or whatever. So we'll figure that out as we go along, and I generally think I will use this. I think this made me more productive because if you guys didn't know, Mondays for me are the days that I feel the most unmotivated to do any schoolwork. And when I looked at my Notion, I was like, oh, this is so cute. Like, I actually kind of want to do work, and I did my work. So I feel like it's really useful, and you can use it for literally everything, not just school, not just studying. You can use it for your everyday life. Like, as you can see, I have like social media right here, and I felt like whoever made this did it really nicely. I'm gonna see if I can link this template down below, like empty. Don't really know how that's gonna work. So opinions on Notion, I recommend it to everyone for the week that I've been using it. My first impression, like the first day I started using it, I feel like I felt a difference and I felt like it worked, and I loved how you could customize it, because here's the thing, there's so many different planners out in the world, and there's always something I have found that you want to change about that planner. So I feel like this, just, you can customize it for everything. You can even take notes. Even though I'm more of a paper pen person, I feel like if I want to take really quick notes, I would use Notion. Like, Literally. One thing that I will say that that was like just a tiny bit annoying, if I'm being super picky. For some reason, if I was like typing in it or doing whatever for a really long time, it would like log me out. It would keep all my information, so like the username and password, I'd just have to press enter and then it'd reload the page. So that's one thing to keep in mind if you get annoyed by that. But other than that, I love it. I would give it a 5 out of 5. I personally loved it. I hope that you guys liked it overall. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope it was informational. I hope that you test out Notion. I will leave my template down below if I can figure out how to do that. All of the links, I've made a link tree, which is just you go to a separate page and it gives you all of the links that I mentioned in my videos. So that will be linked down below as well if you want to check like my Amazon playlist, my Spotify playlist that I mentioned, and all of that good stuff. So make sure you guys subscribe to be part of the Angels team. Also hit that notification bell to be part of the hashtag Angels notification team. And once you do that, you will never miss another one of my videos. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for next Sunday's video because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye guys.